In this video, we are going to see how we can see all of our contacts or find all of the contacts on Gmail. So basically, if you have downloaded, let's say, Google Contacts application on your phone and you have saved multiple contacts like phone numbers, and also you have saved some of the emails as contacts on Gmail directly, here's how you can find all of those contacts saved at a single place. On the top right hand corner, we have this 9 dots that says Google Apps. We'll head over to that and we scroll all the way down to the contacts section. As you can see, we have a lot of apps by Google. We'll click on the contacts here. And there you will see a long list of contacts, especially if you have connected the same account to the phone as well. You will see all the numbers saved here, all the frequently contact people, and all the other contacts here. You can merge and fix them and import some of them, delete some of them from here, and even label it from here. But since that email was pretty new and we didn't save anything there, so that was not showing anything. We head over to the contacts of another email, and as you can see, there is a long list of contacts right here. Frequently contacted people are shown separately. We can get to other contacts as well, which shows their email account, and also if you want to add their phone number, you can edit the details here. And also we can import those contacts if you want to, and we can trash them, label them however we want. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.